Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. Open settings first, then go to the system section, and here you have date and time options. If you want to set your date and time manually, you just have to disable use network provided time feature and just turn it off here. Now you can set your date here. Here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone. If you enable automatic time zone feature here, you have to select region and time zone here. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.